ceramic. Hi guys, kumnandi ka DIY guys, kumnandi. Welcome back to DIYYolande. My name is Yolande, and as you've read from the title, today we are starting a home series. Over a year that we have moved into this home, which I love to call Chateau Ntsele. I have been very nervous at decorating because I just wasn't sure what I want to do with it, what I don't want to do with it. So now I have finally decided, have my mood boards ready, have everything planned and designed in my head and on my phone, and I am finally ready to decorate this home and ensure that it best represents myself and my husband. I will be taking you along with me on this journey, and if there are any brands that would like us to collaborate on this series, my email address is down below. So this first installment of the series, it will focus mainly on my entryway. So my entryway is currently very empty, very bland. There is nothing that is exciting about it, as you can see. And I want to change it up, have a gallery wall, have a console table, create decorative pieces, and just, you know, it's the first point of entry in my home, and I think I would really want for it to set the tone of the entire home. I do want to mention that this series will not run for a long period of time. This then means that there'll be either 4 or 3 episodes for each space in my home. So we will be doing my entryway, my kitchen, guest bedroom, my guest bathroom, my main bathroom, my main bedroom, the sitting room and the dining room, and eventually we will go out and do my garden. So this will not all happen all at once. It's definitely going to be a process. It might take a couple of months, it might take longer, it might take shorter, depending on how everything works itself out. Because let's be honest, the financial repercussions are real. I've added up everything and what things will cost, and boom. So if there are any brands that would like for us to collaborate, my email address is always down in the description box. And if you know any businesses that you think would love to take part in this, whether you have a business that sells or supplies decorative pieces, that makes certain pieces, that would like to collaborate with me, hit me up. My email is always down in the description box below. Enough laughing, I've spoken too much. Let's get into the first DIY for today. So we will start off with faux ceramic vases.
You will need your vases or glass containers in their preferred shape, your GrannyB chalk paint, baking powder, paintbrush, and a mixing tray. Mix an equal amount of chalk paint and your baking powder and stir together. The paint has a texture, but it's not what I envisioned, but it still looks very beautiful. But this is the first coat. I saw this on Macenna's YouTube channel, and she shared that she saw it on Geneva Vanderveil's channel. I will link both channels down in the description box below. So we're basically creating fake ceramic vases.
So ensure you get even the grooves. So this is our first coat, and we're going to let it dry, and then we will then see if we should do a second coat. So whilst we wait for this to dry, I do not want to waste this, so I'm going to use this on another vase.
Next, we're mixing Dove Grey from GrannyB. If you would like to get 10% off the paints that I'm using from GrannyB Paint or any other paints from GrannyB, click the link down in the description box and use the discount code at checkout. As this got dry, I wasn't fully pleased with the texture, so I mixed bicarbonate of soda and paint. And let me just say, I love this texture. First coat, the one that just had royal baking powder, and this is the first coat of the one that's got bicarbonate of soda. So you see the one with bicarbonate of soda has more texture than the one with royal baking powder. So the second coat for all the vases, the paint will be mixed with bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda has many uses. To see how I used it to clean my oven, check the video up in the card.
This is looking so good. Asha ceramic. Okay, kumnandi ka DIY guys, kumnandi. The next project is our cardboard baskets. Yeah, it's cardboard baskets. It's baskets made out of cardboard.
Your fabric, your jute rope, your string, double-sided tape, your boxes, your glue gun and glue sticks. Assemble your boxes and wrap your fabric around it. Use pins to hold your fabric in place. Then grab your double-sided tape, tape it onto your cardboard, then stick your fabric onto your cardboard. Now let's make decorative pom-poms, or also commonly known as tassels. Grab your string, wrap your string around your fingers like this. Then cut another piece of string to create a loop. Then you have a pom-pom or tassel. Then use a pin to separate the strings like this. I'm going to be wrapping these tassels around one of my baskets. For this basket, wrap your jute rope around your box like this and glue your jute rope with your hot glue gun like this. Then wrap your fabric around your cardboard basket as we did in the first one. And here are all the DIYs we did for my entryway. We did ceramic vases and 2 cardboard baskets, because recycling is very important, guys. Comment down below which of these DIYs was your favorite and which will you be trying out. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram or on Facebook or on Twitter at DIYYolande.
I hope you like this video, and please comment down below if you like this series, if you're excited by this series, if you're not into this series. And trust me, there will still be a lot of power tools working and being utilized. I'm so excited. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time.